So we're going to do a video working on my mid-distance sled, taking the runners off, quick QCR, quick change runners system, and we have to get to the base of the bracket that holds the upper part of the sled to the runners. So we'll go over it. This was the quick release plastic that came off. Wasn't very, or quick change plastic that came off. I can assure you it was not very quick getting it off. I had to pretty much, it's in bad shape as you can see. I had to pretty much hammer it off from the front. I don't know if this because it sat so long or what happened there. I got both of those off. And as you can see here, I've got the top part of the quick change system off. And as you can see, it's like a wedge set up, and it face down obviously, which allows you to slide the plastic on and off. So I've got that strip off, and now we're going down to what appears to be the base aluminum, and it's pretty rough shape. Looks like it's been taken off a few times. I have to take that off in order to take this off, which should be just a bunch of screws. Yes, you can hear puppies in the background. Yes, you can hear puppies in the background. Puppies! You got food and water, you're okay. You're good puppies. Yes. Let's see if we can rock this quick. So this appears to be coming off pretty easily, even though it's a final lock. Throw it in there. Throw that in there. Oh. Hope they all come out that easily. Yeah, there's already. I can feel it coming loose now. Yes, poppies. Two more. And they are nasty looking, the last two. Yeah, I can drop one of the screws. Let's grab another tray here so we don't get stuff confused. There we go. Oh, that one came out. Even though they're worn right down. Yeah, I was wondering. That one's, the head's worn right off of it. Yes, poppies. Hopefully the last one will be able to just pop it off. We'll see what happens. Oi! There we go. That was not very happy. And this I need, pretty sure I need to get that other end off. Yes, I do. Okay, let's try that one by hand. Or maybe just try and get some of the gunk out of the tip of the, that might help. Yeah, the plastic was broken and the track was partially broken on this one, so you had the tail end started for me. Almost, it's a couple threads. So we're going to use the magic tool. The Leatherman. Actually, this is a Gerber. ago. Just a couple of pitches and turns, and she comes a free. I'm not Italian. That was probably a terrible Italian impression. Definitely going to need a couple of replacements. Oh, ho, ho, ho. First one. Happy with that. I'm happy with that. Get that back in the pouch. Alright. That's off. What is it that I'm after, right? Well, if I would have known that, I would have never taken it off. But it's good I took one off to find out. So, the upper part of the sled's held onto the runners. So if I can get it correct here, you'll see these here. I don't know if you can or not. There we go. So on other sled systems, this was actually a nut, and you had to take the plastic off to access it. This one here, they did anchors. Thank goodness. So I can just turn the nut up in here, and that will tighten down for me. But that's pretty cool. So I'm going to tighten those down on both sides, and we're going to get some plastic back on here, and I'll get this thing put back together. Working on the mid-distance sled. Hoping to get out with it this weekend. J Patriot Outdoors. As you notice, I changed the name of the YouTube channel.